Yo boys, today's day 2 of me attempting to get max allocation on TopStep. That's going to be 5 50k accounts funded, and we're going to do all this week. Now, we've already passed one. We passed it in 2 days. We've already passed the second, and now you're going to watch me pass the third today. So yo boys, let's get into the fucking video, and I'll show you how I do it. Yo boys, if you aren't already, follow me on the fucking gram. I post every single trade, every single day, London session and New York. What I take, whether I win, lose, or break even, and you'll already know that I'd have been passed and funded at this point. Alright then, fucking let's get into it then, you fucking cunts. Another day, another fucking dollar. It is Tuesday, 14th of October, and geez, we're about to pass this account today, and we are copy trading 4 accounts. So, what we're gonna do, if you don't already know, we do support and resistance on this channel. So, just like every day, we're gonna mark out our resistance where price can't break above, and now we're going to mark out where price can't break below, and we are going to take a buy from either of these directions. Now again, if we look on a 15-minute just as well, yeah, okay, cool. And then back to the 5, we have some sort of like trend line, as you can see here. That's another confluence. We also kind of have like, yeah, currently in like a bearish channel, as you can see. Yesterday's W, for those that don't know, we hit a 1 to 2, very quick trade, like a literally like 1 minute 14 seconds, 1.2k. Well, yeah, let's see what we can do today. Be interesting. So we are looking at MNQ. So market's just open, it's just rejected that resistance straight away. And yeah, we're just gonna chill. Oh, come on the boys. Fucking, whoa, I didn't realize I'm literally like $500 off of cross passing this one account. So, because obviously when I first started trading this shit, I did obviously look at US30, because that's what Mamba FX always trades. US30 is like his favorite pair. As you can see here, this is NASDAQ. Don't really seem to be doing fuck all. Even the same with US30 though, right? Not really doing much. Either pairs. So, see how this 5-minute opening range opens. Only me and you. I feel like this line's distracting the Mandem right now. So the 1 minute looks like that. 15-minute looks like a break. Just waiting for the 5 to clear up a little bit more. Go on. Push. So I'm noticing happening lately, it comes down to that like breakout point and it just hovers there for a little bit. We want to be certain. So that's the first 5-minute candle open. Let's see how this opens now. Alright, we're in. Wait, what? Why am I not in? The fuck was that about? Eh? Bro, it's my account. Why can I not get in? Limit. Why the fuck's it on limit? Market. There we go.
Order filled. Right. Order filled.
There we go. There we go. Up 450. Boom. Let's pass the account. There we go. We just passed this account.
Order filled.
So real quick, what I do, which you've not all seen me yet do, is I was actually taking partials on this trade. Because I was aware I needed $500 to pass this account, I literally just started taking off like 50% at a time. And just so that ensured I passed at least one account, because this one account I was trading on today, I actually bought before the other 3. And so it was already like way ahead of the other accounts. And so I was just making sure that I passed this account for 100% today and got the profit required. So that's why I'm like taking partials, which I never actually do, but today I did. Just taking some risk off the table. Pass this account anyway. Just now, the other accounts, you get me? Just the other accounts. Let's take it down to this profit here.
Order filled.
Boom, 600. There we go. Pass the account. Done auditing. Fucking come on. Right, yo then, boys. Here is the trade update for today, New York session. Let's get into it. So we came in $800 on NASDAQ. This is across 4 accounts. So keep in mind that's 8, 16, 24, 36. That's 3,600 across 4 accounts. One of them accounts passed, so now we're up 100k in funding already. And we did this all in 1 minute and 9 seconds. So the other accounts tomorrow, they just require me to make $1,000 more, which I should be able to do tomorrow if we have a good day. And that'll be $250,000 funding. Are you mad? So if I can do it, you can do it. Get fucking to it, boys. Hope you had a good day. Boom. Bear in mind, I had no clue what I was doing in January. This is going to be mad. This is the fucking come up. Come on. So this account's passed, as you can see here, $53,000. That's another account passed. So the other accounts now just need $1,000. So don't get me wrong, if this shit breaks here, I may even get in on them. Nah, do you know what? Fuck it. Leave that for another day. So we was in that trade for 1 minute and 10 seconds. $806. Don't. I just wait for tomorrow. There's no need for me to get back in now. We've got a winning day on the fucking dot. I'm cool with that. I'm very cool with that. I could take a shot off of this break as well, but to be honest with you, having the win under the belt, I'm cool. All I need now is another $1,000 on the account, which I can literally get tomorrow quite easily. So I'm cool with that, and I'm done for the day. That's it, boys. Discipline on fucking point. All right, that's trade up. I'm fucking fire. That's what I'll tell you, bro. Yo, and another combine pass. Jeez, the strategy, the psychology is on fucking point right now. But yes, boys, past that one. That's the third combine pass in the past 3 weeks. Now, something I do want to talk about actually is the first pass that I ever got and then the withdrawal. And something about the withdrawal, I actually withdrew the money too early. And let me speak about this. Right, yo, boys, so check it out. I want to speak about when I actually passed my account and actually about blowing it. So, as you can see, this is all my back testing of my strategy and understanding, look, my strategy is fucking killing. So cool, anyway, I managed to pass the account. Right, so what happened is, when I passed my account, I withdrew $756. And what I didn't understand is that TopStep has, when you withdraw from TopStep, you withdraw 50%. And then whatever's left in the account is how much you have left to risk with. And what I didn't understand is, with TopStep, let's say when you pass the account, you start with a balance of 0, right? So let's say you've just passed your account, right? You've just paid the activation fee and you've now just passed the account. So this is something I didn't understand. When you've passed a live account, right? When you are now actually passed, what happens is you start with a 0 balance. Now, the only rule that you have when you pass your account is a maximum loss limit. Meaning, if you hit this maximum loss limit, you've lost the account. And what happens is, when you first start, you have a maximum loss limit of $2,000, right? Now, let's say one day you make plus $800, right? Let's say on Monday you make plus $800. Now, this maximum loss limit moves up, so it trails with profit. So rather than it being minus $2,000, it moves every dollar up for every dollar you profit. So now your maximum loss limit would be $1,200, right? So, but your account balance, but now your balance is now plus $800, right? That's what happens, right? So it trails up with it. Now, when you make $2,000 on your account over a few days, what happens is once it reaches, rather than being minus 2,000, once it reaches zero, it becomes static. Now you can start making $1,500 a day, but understanding that it's not going to trail behind you, right? It's not moving with you anymore. Hence why then you can start to risk more and make a lot more money and make bigger payouts. But where I went wrong is on one of my best days, I had 1.9K in the account. And then on another day, I ended up losing the money the day before I withdrew. And I withdrew 50%, meaning I only had $800 left in my account. Meaning I built no cushion, had no buffer. Meaning if I lose only 2 trades, right? If I lose 2 trades, I basically blow the account. And so what had happened is, past my account, all this shit, right? This is it. So this is the day I got my payout, right? And I did 1 micro instead of 10. So I'm 10 times under risked right now. Oh, bro, come on. It's going to wait. Oh my God, we're actually going to get a fucking payout, boys. No way.
Order filled.
Yo! That was class, that. And it ended up hitting a fucking 1 to 4, and I made $150 just so I could get the profit, the 5th profit day, and I could withdraw. So real quick for those that don't know, when getting a payout, the way you get a payout on TopStep is you need 5 winning days. Now, 5 winning days of at least $150. So you need five winning days to get $150 out your account. But understand that when I'm risking $400 per trade, right? If I lose two trades in a row because I only left myself $800 in the account, the account's gone. So what happened is, this day I took my payout, boom, 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 lost 3 trades in a row, lost my account. Unfortunate, because now we're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of winning streaks, and I would have been able to take another payout, and it would have been a lot bigger because I would have built that cushion. I probably would have taken a $3,000 to $4,000 payout this week if I just like knew what I'm telling you guys now. But yeah, we live and we learn. But fuck it, I ain't that bothered that I blew it, because I'm not attached to fundeds no more. I'm like, if I want to get a funded, I can pass it in 2-3 days. It's that simple, because the strategy that I have is fucking amazing. Like, look, boom, like look how many W's there is. You know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, the day after I get my payout, I fucking lose 3 days in a row. I shouldn't have lost this day, but I did. And that's it. And then after that, boom, win, 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 win. Like, it is what it is. Now, I promise you, listen to me, what I'm about to say. For those that don't know how TopStep works. So now I'm going to start to show you how I'm going to, the next payout I get. Mark my words, my next payout on this channel will be around a $7,500 to $10,000 payout. Watch. And this is how I'm going to do it. Because now I've learned, I've understood. 1, I've understood how to pass a fucking funded. 2, I've understood the strategy. 3, I've started to get my psychology on point. But 4, now I understand how to understand building buffers and cushions and when to actually withdraw. I'm going to tell you when to withdraw. So listen, right. What I'm going to do is pass all these accounts, right? So in the past 3 weeks, I've passed 3 new accounts. Passed one today, another one today. I've already got one already live. I blew the first, but I passed another one 2 days later. And now I have 3 more accounts left to pass, right? So what's left is, they now have $1,000 left to pass them all. Now, I could pass all them 3 tomorrow, and then all I need to do then is activate them all, right? There'll be 5 accounts, right? What I will then do is I will build a buffer. I will build the accounts balance up to around $3,500 to $4,000 across all the accounts. Then I will take my first payout. Not like before when I only built $1,400 and then withdrew half of it and fucked myself. So now I'll be more patient, not focusing about the winning days and get the payout. I'll just do the strategies as how it needs to be. I'll just trade how I need to do, not try and just like, oh, take $200 just to secure a winning day. I'm just going to trade the strategy how I do, how I should, right? And until my account balance in my new accounts in the lives, for example, in this. So as you can see here, this is how a fresh live account looks. You start with 0 balance. You have a max limit loss of $2,000. Now, when this balance becomes $4,000, that's when I'll take my first payout. I'll withdraw around $2,000 per account, right? And that'll be $10,000 across 5 accounts. Then what I'll do is there'll be $2,000 left in the account. Now, this maximum loss limit will trail. Now, this maximum loss limit, rather than it trailing every time I make profit, it'll actually just be static. So I can put another 4K, 5K on the account. And then once that's happened, I can start doubling my risk, right? So let's say I've now got my account balance to $4,000. Then what I'll do is I'll start risking 2 minis instead of 1. So rather than risking $400, start risking $800 a trade, making $1,600 per account, times that by 5. But I don't even know what that is. Pardon me. $8,000 per day across 5 accounts. Bro, your boy's going to be making $8,000 to $10,000 a day, bro. On a 1 to 2.5 hour across 5 accounts, that's $10,000 per trade, per winning day, fam. Are you fucking mad? And that's how I'm going to do it. Now, think I'm crazy, think I'm this. I'm telling you how I'm going to do it and what I'm going to do before I've even done it. Bro, understand I have been back testing my fucking strategy more than fucking Johnny Sins has been backshotting things on the internet. Bro, I'm telling you, 10K days are coming. 10K payouts. I am telling you now, 10K payouts, mark my words, are going to come before the end of the year. And understand, I started all this shit this year in January, not having a fucking clue what I was doing, paying for Mamba FX's live room. And when I started YouTube, I started on a fucking demo account. But if I do this shit in front of all you, man, it'll be the fucking most epic shit in the world. That's all I'll say. But besides that, boys, another day, another dollar. And also, understand a loss is fine. Losing is fine. Stop giving a fuck about losses, because the way I'm feeling now, I'm like, if I lose tomorrow, I lose. It's another day behind it. I'm not going to be like, oh yeah, lost, but it's like, understand that they come with the strategy. Because overall, if you have a strategy that, you know, statistically is winning, don't matter. It's irrelevant. As long as we're not losing fucking 4 days in a row, we're good. For me to blow an account now, I have to lose 4 days in a row. That's so rare. It barely even happens. I mean, the 3 days lost in a row that I lost to blow the account the other week, sorry. Now the 3 day loss to blow the account the other week, that was fucking rare in itself. Unfortunate, but yeah, but 4 days, that's how I blow an account. Right now, we ain't doing that shit, so one trade a day, the one shot system, that's how I run this shit. If you aren't already, boys, sub the fuck up. Follow me on Instagram for daily updates on this shit, and you're going to see all my trades before the YouTube does. But yo, boys, fucking peace.